In this lecture, we are discussing about the circle. In the previous class, we have also covered about triangle, rectangle, and quadrilaterals. Now we are discussing about the circle. In this class, we talk about only the basic of the circle. What is the area of a circle if radius is a fixed value? You know very well. We have formulas, many formulas of circle, like uh, if you want to calculate radius. First, talk about the definition of circle. Circle is a 2D figure, which means it is also drawn on plane. Plane means having x or y axis. Circle is a point path like that. A point path which have fixed duration on a fixed point, that is also included in plane. The fixed point and point path middle distance is called radius. If you know radius of any circle, then you can easily calculate radius, that is represented by r. Diameter means what? Diameter is 2 times of radius. Like that, if you want to measure this length and also want to increase this length till here, so r plus r, which means diameter, it's represented by d, and the value d equal to 2r. Now talking about the perimeter, that is also known as circumference. So the formula is perimeter is 2 pi r, and the if we are talking about the area, then we know already the area is pi r square. So these things we know in our academic sessions like 10th or 12th. Today we are discussing about the competitive exams, like how competitive exams demand us to solve any question within a particular, yeah, short terms. So I want to deliver some interesting things, that is like, let I explain something. They say, let suppose if you have this question means if you have here the area of circle is 13,086, 1386. So now observe this area, how the nature of this area, which is the nature of this area. Nature of the area means the area is integer or decimal. Area is integer or decimal. Just think about it. Not think about the solution of this question. First, I want to give you some interesting point, which help of that point you can easily break down any questions within a 12 or 15 second. So now first talking about, if you have area nature, first you have to uh, identify what is the nature of area. So here you can easily find out the nature of area is integers or maybe decimal. In this question, not talk, not focus on spelling, just understand the meaning what I want to deliver to you. Decimal meaning I know here is a wrong, but you just ignore it. So area nature may be integer or decimal. Now I want to ask a question to you. When if you have a circle like that, just understand what I want to say. If you have a circle which radius is r, and if you also have the same circle area, that is integers, so when it is possible any area मतलब any circle which have area integers. कब पॉसिबल हो सकता है ये चीज़? when it is possible. So you know area is formula is equal to pi r square. You already know about what is the value of pi. Pi बटे 7 and 22/7 into r यहाँ पे. The box means what? Radius of circle. And again box means what? Radius of circle. यानी radius of circle को मैं 2 times write down कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. This area, this a value is integers. When it happened, when it is possible कि this value area which I want to know come in integer value. Integer value means what? That is not written in the fraction form. Yani like 1 is also integers, 2 is also integers, 3 is also integers, which have only numerator part. Denominator, if you want to if you want to कुछ भी आप denominator में add, if you want to add something as a place of denominator, then you can put only one, not other. Integers maybe, so talking about the integers, area of integers, when the area comes integers of any circle, the only one thing is possible here. If you take radius like 7 or multiple of 7, if you take radius 7 or multiple of 7, that only the way you get the area of any circle in the form, in the nature of integer. So now this questions, I want to explain a big thing to you. कि just seeing a nature of any circle, area of any circle, you just quickly react like what is the radius of this circle, what is the circumference of this circle in the form of integer या decimal. So why seeing या by observation, why कि this circle have area in integers, that means this circle also have radius in integers. If there is any option that have decimal, I directly cancel out that option, because I know by formula only integer value is possible when I take radius 7 or multiple of 7. जैसे I want to explain this thing by taking an example. Like, let's suppose we have an area pi upon 7 into r, that means box, and again box, that means this means my area. If I take here radius like 7 into 7, 7 into 7 means what? 49. Now you can easily solve this 7. 22 into 7, that means also integers, yani 22 into 7, the outcome of this एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म या दिस एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन है जो भी है, इसकी आउटकम्स है वो ऑल्सो इंटीजर्स आएगा. नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट इफ यू टेक हेयर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेडियस, लाइक आपने ले लिया यहाँ पे 3 and 3. So now the calculate the area, 22/7 into radius value is 3 and again 3. So now the up and as a place of numerator you can have a value y is into 22 into 9, and as a place of denominator you have value 7. So this gives area in decimal. Because why this give area in decimal? Because as a place of denominator, there is a 7 which is not exactly divisible by any value that is present in as a place of numerator. That's why it's give us decimal value. So when you you feel, yeah, you got any any circle कि एरिया की वैल्यू इफ यू got in any questions in decimal form, you can easily think about the radius must be in decimal or not in exactly multiple of 7 or 7. Same thing is happen like that if you have formula like circumference. So here is circumference. Circumference is called 2 pi r. So when only circumference nature circumference का जो outcomes of circumference is integers, when it is possible only this result circumference is integers is only possible when you take radius pi value is 7. Here you take only radius 7 or 7 of multiple 7 or 7 of multiple 7 of multiple. In this condition only you got here integers value, otherwise you uh, get decimal value here like that. It means also if you seen here in this question you have easily seen the circumference is 26.4. So if I cancel out the so it means अगर if you have circumference in integers that also area मतलब radius 7 or 7 multiples that means area uh, is also integers form. So either आप you can easily cancel out this option decimal here here here. So you can easily देख seen that circumference in integers values 264. यहाँ पे चेक करो देखो लाइक दैट यहाँ पे जो रेडियस है आपकी वो किस में निकल के आ रही है, ये डेसिमल में है. द हियर द सर्कमफेरेंस इन डेसिमल विच मीन्स रेडियस comes in decimal, not exactly in form 7 or 7 multiple of 7 and integer form. Maybe 7 के multiples तो देखो you have 7 multiple of 7 means 35 is also possible, multiple of 7 means 3.5 is also possible. लेकिन this multiple of 35 is in integer form और 3.5 is in decimal form. ये also possible है ना, 0.5 से if you multiply 7 then you can easily got 3.5. So both the side, if you cancel out the point, then you can get the same things that I want to say. So I want to explain two major things. That is, if you have radius 7, then what you get, then tell me the what is the diameter of circle. You can easily say the diameter will be 14. And when we are talking about the circumference of circle, then you can easily say the circumference will be 44. And in the similar way, you can easily calculate the area is 154. If you have radius 7, diameter will be 14, circumference will be 44, and the area will be 154. Now, just I want to uh, deliver the use of this line. This is very effective line that's break down any question in within 20 or 25 seconds. Any question you want to solve, because the examiner जो आपको रेडियस देगा वो 7 और 7 के मल्टीपल में देगा. ये आपको हाउ कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई कि माई रेडियस इज इन इंटीजर्स, माई एरिया इज इन इंटीजर्स, माई सर्कमफेरेंस इन इंटीजर्स और डेसिमल. You observe the question. So like here in this question, I do not give you solution of this question. I deliver this solution of this question in upcoming next class. I want to explain only how you can think in different way. If the something in an area, if the nature of any value is decimal integers, then how can you easily react about the next things which I required to calculate the solution of this any particular problem. So here you can easily know this value that question give to you in integer form. So in this integer form, you can easily react like, yeah, we have a radius 7 in the form of integers. Integers form. So here all the values are integers form. If maybe if there is any option that have decimal, then we can easily cancel out that, and decimal are not possible for this question because we have a area in integer form. If area is integers, then it must be necessary the radius is 7 or multiple of 7. So now solve this question. If radius is 7, if area is integers, then you can assume like my radius is 7. According to my radius is 7, it means my area is 154. Why I take 154 as a ratio? Because I know my integers value, my area value is given in integers. That means radius must be 7 or multiple of 7. That's why I take 154 as a ratio, assuming like 154 is my area in ratio. Lekin in the questions give exactly value of area is 1386. So now think about how you solve easily by using this concept. Now think about how many times this value will happen. So now you can easily calculate how many times this value, 9 times this value. If you do 154 into 9, then you can get 1386. It means what? Area is 9 times. If area is 9 times, then side will be under root 9 times. Side means what? Side means what? Maybe radius, maybe diameter, maybe circumference. Both are measuring in like centimeter. Area is measuring like centimeter square. So if area is 9 times, then side will be under root 9 times, which means 3 times. So now you can assuming like my so value of radius is 7 or 3 times of it, which means 21. That is your correct answer. I want to say there is no need to use formula. So formula you have to use in these type of questions, like you are solving pi r square, you are assuming pi value y/7 and r की value you assuming x into x बराबर what is the given 1386. यहाँ से you have to solve this question and find out x value and you can pick any particular option that you got. But if you explore your thinking process, if you develop your concept and depth, you can easily find out my value, जो value आपको what value you have given, what value in the question you have known, the nature of the value is integer or decimal is the basis of this nature. You can easily react like my radius value is integers or decimal. जैसे let's talk about. This is my only purpose to explain this all the concept because I already told you कि I explain I provide solution all the questions in next class. Today we are discussing about only the concept. जैसे because many times I am using the area is integers, maybe I quickly eliminate if area is integers, then the radius must be in integers. जैसे just I give you all the things which I provide you till now. Just I want to applications उनके यूज करवाना सिखा रहा हूँ. जैसे like in this question you do not need to solve, just think what I want to say to you till now. I say to you कि if area of circle is in decimal, which means what? My radius must be in decimal. Here यहाँ पे if you have in this question you have area value which means a, that is 38.5. Now this value is in decimal. According to my opinion या your opinion, you जैसे मैंने आपको I told you in few minutes before, if area is in decimal, that means maybe अगर आपकी रेडियस है 7, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, आपके अनुसार यहाँ पे आपको पता कैसे चल रहा है कि देखो यहाँ के ऑप्शन से चेक करो आप, सरकमफेरेंस की वैल्यू, द क्वेश्चंस डिमांड यू टू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ सरकमफेरेंस, द ऑप्शंस आर 77 दैट इज आल्सो इंटीजर्स, 22 दैट इज आल्सो इंटीजर्स, 11 12 11 that is also integers, or 118 that is also integers. The nature of options are integers, that means my circumference will be in integers. Now I know this thing, circumference is only possible in nature of integers when I take radius 7 or multiple of 7. I assume radius 7, that is the reason. I know only way possible circumference in nature of integers when, जैसे you have a formula t equal to 2 pi r. The circumference value in form of integers is only way to come the value of circumference in integers when you take the radius value 7 or multiple of 7. Otherwise this integer value become this integer जो circumference outcomes come in decimal, और मे भी डेसिमल में नॉन रिकरिंग रिकरिंग वो चीज़ हम नहीं देख रहे हैं, जस्ट इंटीजर्स और डेसिमल की बात कर रहे हैं. तो इस क्वेश्चंस के वाई सीइंग द क्वेश्चंस ऑब्जर्व बाय ऑब्जर्वेशन ऑफ ऑप्शंस, आई क्विकली नो माई रेडियस विल बी 7 or multiple of 7. So now I assume if my radius is 7, then my diameter is 14 and my circumference is 44. My area is 154. You can easily calculate when you know the area formula is pi r square and diameter is 2r. So you can put here r equal to 7 and you can easily get these things. 7 radius, diameter 14, 44 is circumference and 154 is area. So by assumption of my area in ratio is 154, but questions give me area, actual area, that is 38.5. I again say to you, I do not provide you solution of these questions. Upcoming class, I provide the solution, correct solution, how quickly you solve this question. I have purpose to explain only how you react, how you think about any particular questions by seeing the nature of option, by seeing the nature of given value, area, circumference, radius, diameter. नेचर को देख के तुम्हें अंदाजा लेना है कि यार मैं क्या ले सकता हूँ इसमें. तो हेयर यू कैन इजिली, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स एरिया, तो 1/2 मीन्स 72 और 72 का अगेन 1/2 करोगे तो 1/4. तो हेयर एरिया इज हाउ मेनी टाइम्स, एरिया इज 1/4 टाइम्स. if you do 154 into 1/4 then you can get 38.5. तो हेयर एरिया अगर 1/4 टाइम्स हो रहा है तो द साइड विल बी अंडर रूट ऑफ इट. अंडर रूट ऑफ इट मीन्स 1/2 टाइम्स. अब नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन आस्क यू एनी वैल्यू, जैसे लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन वांट टू कैलकुलेट द रेडियस ऑफ this according to this data, tell me the radius of this question. So you can easily calculate, साइड है वो 1/2 टाइम्स हो रही है, रेडियस 7, 1/2 टाइम्स मीन्स 3.5, रेडियस 3.5, सर्कमफेरेंस है वो क्या होगा 44, 1/2 टाइम्स मतलब 22, डायमीटर पूछ लेता तो 1/2 मतलब 7. तो अगर आप इफ यू यूजिंग फॉर्मूला देन यू कैन need to calculate every separate thing, separate calculation you have to do for one to any particular value like radius, diameter, circumference, area. But if you assume these things, you can easily break down any questions. Is it enough? required time duration that SSC want to us to solve any particular question. Now think about next question. यही था क्या? So these are the only questions. These are the only basics of this chapter circle. If you assuming like radius 7, then diameter will be 14 and circumference will be 44 and area will be 154. अब आपको ये many doubts you have, language barrier, maybe how we can react like radius in integers, then area will be in integers, circumference will be in integers. ये कैसे पता चलेगा? तो have a patience. You can you know everything what I know. If I know, it is my responsibility to deliver all the things which I know. You will be known. So let's discuss the solution of these types of problem in upcoming class. So hope you join us. So thank you for watching this video. मिलते हैं अगली क्लास में, तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया.